Hi there! Have you always wanted to try Static Analyzer but never got around to installing it? Well, I get it. I'm not a fan of installing too many new apps either. Luckily, you may not have to. There are other ways to do this. For example, you can use an online version. But before talking about static analyzers, let's touch the subject of compilers. There's a website that allows to try them online, godbolt.org. It provides a tool called Compile Explorer. Here you can check whether your code can compile and what its output is. This means you do not need a test project to find out whether your code works. You must admit that's pretty convenient. Compile Explorer allows you to try a lot of compilers and to pass flags to them. Now let's move on to static analyzers. Since Compile Explorer does not support Java or C#, we can choose only from C and C++. As for compilers, the website offers GCC and Clang for x86 and x64. Let's select Clang. Now click Add Tool and select PVS Studio and Clang Tidy. Drag them somewhere more convenient. Though Compile Explorer offers you a window to enter your code, you can upload your own file. This is useful if you have a ready example to check. So let's go to Save/Load, File System, Load from a local file. Now we can see warnings for this file. This is handy when you need to check something online, or to compare how several static analyzers react to the same code. For example, here we can see that someone used the new operator to allocate memory and then checked the memory for null. This is a bad idea, because if the program runs out of memory, it will throw the BALAC exception and never reach the if statement. This is what PVS Studio is telling us. What if you want to share a code snippet together with the Windows and settings? You can do this, just use the share button. By the way, if you want to report an incorrect warning to our support, we can fix it quicker if we can reproduce it in Compile Explorer. As I've just demonstrated, you can try Static Analyzer online in Compile Explorer. I hope you learned something new from this video. To see more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please share your experience in the comments below. See ya!